So on any of these platforms, to price your item, well, let's do this. Let's say that we have a Pendleton backpack. And it's a Pendleton red wool backpack. This one is my listing, yay! Apparently this is really rare, so that's fun. So what you can do is kind of get a feel for the other items that are listed. You know, I'm seeing like 150, a lot of 40s, 50, 60, kind of around that range. Let's see what's actually selling. And this is important for determining what to pick up. But when you're pricing, what you want to do is kind of go over this again and see what the market is looking like. That's great. That sold for 90. That's cool. So it's interesting. The same thing sold for 35.90. So you can price things up, wait for them to sell, even if something is not selling for a lot currently. It really just depends on what you want to do. So, okay, those aren't backpacks. So let's say that I have a Pendleton red wool backpack and I want to get it sold quickly. And there's no special, like it's not rare or anything necessarily. So if I look and it's like the same as this one, then if I wanted to sell it quickly, there's a few different options that I could do. I could do like buy it now for $49.99, and that would probably fly off the shelf, possibly. Or I could list it just below this. I could list it for $139, or you know, you could even do like $149, like just $1 below. Like it really depends, and accept an offer. So yeah, it just depends on what you want to do, and you can search for this on each platform. Poshmark tends to have higher priced comps, higher priced sales. So that's something to consider.